Hey everyone, it's me, Matty D, A1 Solutions Group. Been a little bit since I did the video here. Today, talking about the elephant in the room that everyone's been talking about, the COVID-19 coronavirus that's going around and just scaring the crap out of people. This is all about what to do in this time and, how your credit is affected by this and the opportunities you have right now to, improve credit and really just protect it and what you can do. So, start here. Coronavirus it's in the news everywhere. You can't go a day without seeing it. If you don't watch news, you'll find something on your phone. I can tell you this. I'm gonna say this. Start here on the important parts and then go into what we do about credit. I can tell you this right now. Hand sanitizer, the toilet paper, all that stuff is very interesting. That stuff is needed, yeah, but people aren't understanding. I saw a post on this yesterday that said hand sanitizer now is hard to find, toilet paper and whatever else that's hard to find as well. People are buying that stuff thinking like, okay, that's gonna help you with the virus. Not really. There's another half of it, which is actually 80%, and you're not that's not being talked about. So the post said everyone's buying toilet paper and hand sanitizer, but yet the fruits, the veggies, the herbs are all fully stocked, which shows you what? A lot of us don't understand how the immune system works. Look, hand sanitizer is good. Toilet paper, yes. That is like 1% of it. You should really want to make sure you're not, even if you think about you may be exposed, where the case may be, you have to understand that you gotta take care of your body. Hand sanitizer is just one thing, but your body needs nutrients. You need stuff to help boost your immune system. So I suggest checking the vitamin shop, talk to me about certain things I recommend. Eat your vegetables, fruits, herbs, things that help with making the body feel better, gut health, all that stuff, because 80% of your immune system is in your gut. And if this is not functioning correctly, yeah, you're most likely to get sick from just anything. I don't care what it is. So if you want to take care of your health, okay, get supplements, get things you need, because without your health, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what's going on in your life. Your health comes first, okay? That being said, do that. Right now, if you can work from home, take the opportunity to do so. A lot of conventions are being canceled. Some things are going on. Certain states are declaring states of emergencies. I'll say this right now: work from home, and the best you can, relax, which is something people don't want to do in times when people are afraid. But you ultimately want to feel better. Relax about it, and because watching news and panicking does not do anything for you. It's not going to help you out whatsoever. Relax. You work from home if you can, and use this time also to look at other ways to make extra income, because if you're having problems with credit, missing payments, try to make up and pay stuff on time, okay? Buy some things that you need and really use the time, because you're being home a lot of time by yourself. Just think about how can I improve my credit, One thing we have is our compliance form. If you simply call the bureaus or remove the old information that's in your profile section, a lot of people don't notice that your credit is broken up into 4 tiers: personal information, accounts, inquiries, and public record. Okay, the personal information, if you have on there, you'll notice old addresses, different names, things like that. The old information is attached to negative items on your credit report. If you call them up and get this stuff removed, you can see a jump in your score and help you out. So keep that in mind. So work from home, look at ways to make money, because if you're having trouble paying your bills right now and you got one source of income, you need to look at how to make extra money. Now, am I saying go through another job? No, especially right now with everything being shut down. You need to learn how to make extra money on the side, like a side hustle, as they call it, okay? You can look at different things like e-com business, selling stuff online. Look at other ways to bring in some extra income, because especially if you're working from home and who knows how long you've been working from home anyway, it's a good time to establish a secondary income that you can use to pay off your debt and pay stuff on time. If things are going to collection agencies, you need to call us right away so you can help get stuff deleted off your file. So that's pretty much it. Right now is a unique time in human history, as it always is. And we'll get through this. Humans have been through diseases like this before: the bubonic plague, the Spanish flu. Everyone thinks, oh my God, it's the end, then we get through it. It's a cycle of things are great, crap, we're all going to die, we get through it. Oh, things are fine, crap, we're going to die, we get through it. We'll get through it. How? We don't need to know how, just know that we will. Take this advice. I'll repeat it again. Look, take care of your health. Because I don't care if you're making six figures. If you can't leave your bed because you're too sick or whatever, what does it matter? Take care of your health. Get supplements you need. If you buy hand sanitizer, buy hand sanitizer and toilet paper. In other areas, buy some wipes. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Health supplements, like I said, those that work in immune system and gut health, pre and probiotics. You work from home, look at other ways. And if you're not working from home, look at other ways to make extra money. This way you can help pay your bills on time, increase your credit. And for those of you, like I said, who need help with credit and everything else, give us a call. Give me a call. We'll talk directly. 877-250-7170 extension 2. Again, 877-250-7170 extension 2. Let's talk. Get you going. We have payment plans, other programs as well. We have a new coaching program that we have that can help you, especially in this time right now. Right now, the time to really move forward in life, funny enough, is when everyone's afraid. People are greedy, that's when we be concerned. But right now, since everyone's afraid, not doing much, this is a perfect opportunity to do something different with your life, take control, and get your credit up and create other things you want. Call me, we'll talk more. Appreciate you. Please share this video. You got some value. Comment below. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know. Peace.